Come on, off this one. Okay. Because it's giving me cold already. Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure you are seeing the screen. Whenever you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Okay, this is dashboard of a user. Somebody that's already existing in the system. This is the dashboard of this person. Okay. On this side of the dashboard, that is on this left-hand side, you see the menu. The menu means where you can locate some things. If you want to make purchase of products, you come to products. These are products are filled up here. When you take it to the end, you will see page 2. This is page 1, page 2. If you roll the next page, you are going to see other products, all right, and other things, the products you need. Small time with the coming in of the new brands of products, we will update this place so that you can easily do some things. Okay, another day we will teach you how to make the order from your back page here. But aside from that, let me take you to why we came. Okay, for today, this is recharge. When you receive PIN, you can recharge PIN here. You put the PIN number they gave you and you submit it to recharge and appear in the balance here. But let me take you to what I am discussing with you for today, what we call the dynamic compression. Okay, gentlemen, this is the tree of this person. I'm sure you have seen the tree. The top username is called Owoyene, number 1. That's the first account up there, okay? Now look at what something. A moment. All right. If you see this board now of this person, you will see that there are a lot of people here. A lot of people are in this place. You see that it's a binary movement. It's 2 by 2 movement. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Then we told you that as people are taking package and coming into the system, left and right, it will pay referral bonuses and also be paying matching bonuses. Referral bonuses and matching bonuses. We also told you that our system actually pays you down to several generations, depending on the package you collected. And it also pays you different sizes of matching bonuses, depending on the package you are into. Okay? But there is another form of bonus our system pays you, and we call that one step out royalty. That one recognizes the number of people that are already in your board. For example, look at this place now. How many people can you see on this board now? On this page, on this tree? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are 14 people. Okay? Then the system says, apart from paying you your referral bonuses, your matching bonuses, and giving you your PV that you accumulated, the system will also recognize you on the basis of the number of people that have come into your tree. So this person now, that the number of people that have come into his tree are up to 14, this account is qualified for step out royalty. Because for step out royalty to occur, this generation of people have come in. So we have first generation, second generation. On the third generation, this account will start earning royalty. Okay? How does this royalty occur? This royalty occur because this person came in, ECPO 1, ECPO 2, Pearl Gold in 21, 22, Abundance 1, Abundance 2, Harrison 1, and Harrison 2, the system pays a royalty, which is different from, in addition to the referral bonuses and the matching bonuses we've spoken about. And how will the person know that this payment has been done to him or her? The person will go to his transaction log. This place, you are seeing this menu. This place is called transaction log. If you click on it, the person will see payments that have come into his board. And the system will automatically give you another name, a special name that is called the silver, or that is called the special master. Look at the board. This is the tree, but there is a board here that is called board structure on the menu. Let me click the board structure on the menu. If you look at this place now, this account entered, became a special master board. The reason why this person, Oweyene, is seeing himself or herself in this special board is because the generation of people that came into his board, they have gotten to 14. They have gotten to how many? They have gotten to 14. That was why he's seen himself here as well. So when these two people came in, special royalty payment is done. When this line of people came in, special royalty bonus is paid. When this line of people came in, special royalty bonus was paid. Now, I want to now explain what we mean by dynamic compression. I'm going back to the trick. If you look at this page now, this person came in, this person came in. Referral bonus was paid, matching bonus was paid, BV was given. This person came, this person came. This person came, this person came. All referral bonuses were paid, matching bonuses, and BV was given to this person. And everybody got his bonuses accordingly. Now, we are looking at you getting the royalty. Let us assume this person came, but this person did not come. 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 But this person came. You see that there is a confusion now. The confusion is that the people that should have come for this man, Oweyene, to get special royalty, they have not come. Now the system applies dynamic compression. Say, if this person has not come, but the person under him, the person under him has come, it will count and give the person, and give Oweyene special royalty. Are we together? Dynamic compression means when the person who is supposed to locate that place has not located that place for you to get special royalty bonus, but the person who is under him is active with his own people, the system will automatically use that person to give you special royalty. Do you understand what dynamic compression means from this explanation? I repeat again, in the dynamic compression, let us assume that this generation of people are supposed to come for Oweyene to get special royalty. But those generation of people did not come. The people under them, if they come there, Oweyene will get his special royalty. That word is what we call dynamic compression. Do we understand what I mean by dynamic compression now? Remember that the explanation I'm giving you now is different from referral bonus, binary bonus, and matching bonus. So it's different. This one I'm saying is that our system still recognizes the people that have come into your tree. So our system recognizes you both on referral bonuses. Our system recognizes you both on matching bonuses. Our system also recognizes you both on BV. And at the same time, it recognizes you also both on the number of people that have come into your tree. Wherever you are, or whatever company you join, or whatever businesses you are doing, you would like to ask questions in this direction. Because a standard binary system does not give recognition to the number of people that have come into your team. No binary system does that. It is only our own that does it. What binary system does is it pays you referral bonus, it pays you matching bonus, and then it pays you what again? That's all. When it comes to the tree, it's only referral bonus and matching bonus. The next thing it can pay you is upgrade bonus. And then it starts giving awards and other incentives. But in our own system, it pays you referral bonus, it pays you matching bonus, it gives you your BV as usual, and at the same time, it pays you royalty. This royalty is based on the number of people that have come under your tree. And we are saying also that our system has applied dynamic compression. This dynamic compression is what I am trying to explain to you when I say if the people who are supposed to locate that ball, that place, that structure to give you royalty bonus, they did not come. But the people under them are working and they came. The system automatically used those ones to give you what you need. Okay? But let me tell you something about the principle of network marketing. It's about introducing real people. Our system gives some degree of freedom. But however, you may use the degree of freedom our system gives to give yourself some degree of injury as well. What do we mean? It can push some people to start registering names that are not real names, that are not, you will just be registering anything you are registering. No, we are advising all members that it is important and it is very necessary that you introduce real people. You introduce what? Real people. However, supposing you have done so many registrations and now you have now started getting real people, what can the system do for you? The system can make replacements for you. Are we together? If you have had a lot of people in your, a lot of ghost names, let me use the language, ghost names in your team, but now you have started getting real people into your team, the system can make replacements for you. This is why I wanted the Onecure team to be here, and I think I'm seeing them already. Onecure team, are you there? Are you here? You can on your microphone and respond if you are here. Very well. Good morning, Onecure team. How is Onecure and how is Abia State? So good to see you for today. All right. Beautiful. Yes, you can speak on, Mama. I'm hearing you. I'm seeing you already. How is Umuahia and how is Abia State? Okay, beautiful. Okay. In the discussion we are having today, we now say some of you are having so many registrations in your tree. But now you are now bringing in real people now that will pull the trigger together with you. And we are saying that the system can make a good replacement for you to enable you to work with your people as a team as much as you wanted. This has been the desire of you people from beginning. So we are going to use you people now to provide an explanation and make a demonstration to help every other person that is with us in the program for today to understand what he or she can do on the system. It's like the Umuahia people, their network is not stable. It's like the thing has pulled them out as well. The network has deleted them. But let me share the screen. Vic Smith. Vic Smith, I think the username is Nwobo, right? The first username of that Umuahia team is Nwobo. Am I correct?
Yes, Nwobo.
Okay. The Umuahia people, their network is not stable, so the thing is knocking them off. Let me do something now. All right. Question. Okay. Awake, you want to ask question? Okay, Awake. You want to drop it as a message or you want to say it out? You can do any of them.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Hello, sir. We together. Hello.
Yes, who is talking?
Yes, sir. I understand your explanation. Dynamic compression. The way you talk to 14%, the system will calculate, then I'm paying. This is Mrs. Awake. Mr. Awake, sir.
Awake, your network is not stable. Can you drop that question as a text message?
Okay.
Your network is not stable. We can.
I still understand your explanation of the dynamic compression. The way
your network is bad. Your network is bad. Awake, your network is bad. Can you drop it as a message? Okay. Let me. Okay. Okay, I'm dropping a message already. All right, before I will take us to the Umuahia team and open their page and provide some explanation for them. I think they are back again. They are back again here. We want to ask all of you, is any of you having questions from what you have had already so far? The explanation I provided on dynamic compression, is it very clear? Prince Umar, are you there? Did you catch it? All right. As long as I didn't get any counter, I have confidence that everybody catched it. All right. Awake, can you drop the question on WhatsApp? Can you drop the question? All right. Umuahia person, somebody is raising hand over there. Umuahia, somebody is raising hand there on the microphone, and let's hear you.
Our network is disturbing.
Can you speak out? We can hear you. If you cannot speak out, why not drop it as a chat? Can you drop messages as a chat? Okay. The hand is up. Okay, this is Somaina Dauda. Can you speak?
To ask about
Dauda, can you increase your voice? We're hearing you.
good morning, sir. Thank you very much for the explanation. My question is about can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Hello? Okay. And how person use I have a patient who is suffering from stroke and heart disease. And
Your network is bad, really.
sir, can you hear me now?
Your network is not stable, actually. I heard when you say you have a patient that has a stroke and heart disease or something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead. What happened?
So I say, what is the best product the person need to use, and how long can he use it?
Does he have high blood pressure?
Yes, he
Does
has
he
high
have-
blood pressure and
You say high blood pressure and what? He has what?
constant headache.
Constant headache.
Constant.
Your network is really bad. Well, I don't know why networks are bad everywhere, actually. But for somebody who has stroke and heart disease and constant headache, okay, what you're going to use is 1-Force, VFT, Neurovital syrup, 1 heart. 1 heart. I don't know if you had me actually. 1-Force, 50, Neurovital syrup, 1 heart. Okay, and if possible, you add 1 pen. 1-Force, 50, Neurovital syrup, 1 heart, and if possible, 1 pen. I don't know if you are hearing me, but if you didn't get it well, you can drop a message. Okay, let me drop the message already, even in this program. Okay, so for this person, for the stroke person, you use the following. Okay, I'm typing already. You use the following. You use 1-Force. You use 50. You use Neurovital syrup. Because the blood pressure of this person seems to be attacking this person very well. They use 1 heart. And then you also use 1 pen. So you check what I dropped on the message box. Okay. All right. Now, for the Home Heart team, you can now bring down your hand, Sumaina, okay? Let me share something with you people. And every other person will learn. In the course of my discussion, I said, in real networking, you are expected to go along with real people. But sometimes, because you load a lot of registrations on your tree, the people may not be standing the way you desire. Now look at this account. Okay. Look at this tree now. This is a username that is here. The same username is here. The same person is occupying these 3 places. Okay. Then there are different names that are occupying these 3, this second generation. That is the same name occupying this second generation. And if you look at the 3rd generation, you see various names. Okay. Now look at what we are saying. In case you are now working with real people at this time, okay? When you are working with real people, if you have 3 accounts yourself, by yourself, that is okay. That is okay. But this person that is Christian Cash here now, the Christian Cash is supposed to pick up from here and go down. But we'll see that there are the same Christian Cash occupying these 3 places here. Okay, so the system can reposition these people for you. That is, Christian Cash and their team will be in one side, they can be working one side. The next person can take over in this side, can reposition everybody here. And the next, another person can be repositioned here, another person can be repositioned here. So that you know that each person is working in the direction of his team. Each person is working in the direction of his team. I think, let me silence everybody here. This. All right. What you are seeing on this screen now is a registration belonging to Onecure team. Okay. So this arrangement here was done because it's a fast-moving registrations that were done here so that they can hit the boards. But now the team wants to work with real people. They're already working with real people right now. So what we are telling you is that the system can reposition your people for you in a way that you can now be working with real people. Each person, like this Christian cash that is here, okay? This Christian cash that is here now can occupy this place and take it down. Another person can occupy this place and take it down. Another person can occupy this place and take it down. Another person can occupy this place and take it down. This is one thing that the system can do for you. If you were already existing in the system and there were a lot of registrations in your team that are not real people, now the true nature of network marketing is it is important you work with real people. But if you have done what you are seeing on the screen previously, do not be afraid. There is no problem. Okay? The system can reposition those people for you without spoiling anything. Are we together? So now, to the Onecure team, what you are going to do now is you will send us the various usernames of people, real people that you have that is working with you, okay? Real people that you have that is working with you. You will send us the various usernames, the various people, their various details. Then you will now tell us how you want them to be repositioned on this tree so that you can work like a team and then take Onecure to a greater heights and achieve something very good in our system. Onecure team, do we understand? Now let me go back to Onecure team, okay? Onecure team, can you on your microphone and then answer me if you have understood what I've explained now? You are on already. No, on it back. You off it again back. Onecure, on it back. Are we together?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Are you hearing us? Yeah, I'm hearing you. Are you hearing us?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Are you hearing us?
Do you
We have been
understand?
battling with misunderstanding because of network. You can see we changed from where we were sitting before. We located another time.
But were you hearing the things I was explaining?
No, we didn't hear this network. We are hearing now. But it's clearer now. You can talk to us. We can hear you very clear now.
Now, this is what I'm explaining. If you look at this tree, this is your tree. This is the network tree of Onecure people. A lot of registrations has been done on your tree. Are we together? And we are saying that because it was registrations that was going on, it may not be real people that are placed accordingly. How many people are talking? Can you off your microphone now? Off your microphone now. Let me listen. Let me be the one talking. Off your microphone. Good. Just listen. Let me be the one talking. Just pay attention. We are now saying that if you look at the tree of Onecure people, we have Nwobo at the top, Nwobo here. That is well placed. Okay. Now you see Christian Cash. Christian Cash. You see this arrangement now. Christian Cash is occupying about 4 spaces here. if this Christian cash is a real person, the way this Christian cash occupying these 4 places here is not appropriate. Instead, what would have happened is, this is Christian cash. This one will also be Christian cash. This one will also be Christian cash. Then this one will be another person, the same person, the same person. This will be another person, so that you know that each of you, you are having only about 3 accounts each. And you can now work on your leg, your binary leg properly. And we are now saying that we are going to rearrange this position for you people so that you can effectively work as a team. I believe you are catching my points. So what you will now do is, who are these people that are on your team? You give us their names. I'm going to drop a message for you people on your WhatsApp group, on the WhatsApp group, okay? The names and usernames. The usernames, details, your details, just like as if it is somebody that is registering new. The details that you have, we will now reposition these accounts for all of you so that you people can now work as a team, bringing in real people into the system. To the extent it has gone, we can continue to pull in real people for you, arrange them properly. Are you getting the point? Then we will now start teaching you how to make reorder, how to make upgrade, how to work like a team so that you can achieve stronger and greater heights. Are we together? Even if you don't have 1 million people, but you have, even if it is 20 people you have in your team, the activities of that 20 people will take you to where you are going. If it is 10 people that are active in your team and they are active, it will take you down to where you are going. For those who also love to be loading registration, you will still get to your destination. But sometimes when you want to do real networking, it can create some degree of confusion for you. Are we together? I am talking about people that have been with the system in the past. We are saying that we can rearrange your structure for you so that you can work with your team naturally, accordingly. Nothing has spoiled. And then we are saying for new people that are coming in now, what you need to do is, when they are getting you registered, select the package you need, you want to start with. All of you already know our packages. If you don't know our packages yet, you can bring us back. We will teach you about packages. We'll also teach you back about our referral bonuses and matching bonuses and cumulative BV that you will accumulate to win awards and different forms of incentive. Are we together? So whichever direction you take, you will get to your destination. Okay? But we encourage you to do natural networking. And that means if you as a person have 3 accounts to yourself, that is enough. Build that one first. The remaining spaces there, put normal people there. But now we are telling you, the Umaya people too, that supposing as we have opened your account now, we see so many registrations, but you are not having real people you want to put, we can reshuffle the board, this 3 for you, and put in real people accordingly as you want, so that you can walk and get to your destination. Is it very clear? You can on your microphone now and respond.
Yes, we understood you well.
You say what?
We understand what you're saying now. We understand. We are okay with what you said.
Okay. Okay. You understand it right now. You understand what I explained also?
It's better you rearrange it for us so that you know where we stand.
That is what I'm saying. Okay, so thank you very much. Your language now has helped me to understand that, to know that you really understand. So what we do is just to rearrange it for you. Okay?
really want to do this.
Now, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. Are you okay with each of you having three personal accounts first?
Yes. So the one, anyhow, you know, that is good for us. We do.
There is one thing we'll need from you. Okay, you have a question.
Yes. Registration. And register the product. What are we going to do with those registrations? Are you going to cancel it or are you arrange it so that you have the DV?
I didn't hear the question. What is your question?
Those registrations, those like you said that you real person. Now I'm asking whether those registrations are there. What are we going to do? Do you understand what I said?
I understand what you're saying. Don't worry about it. We are saying that those registrations that are written wobo, you don't, if you are okay with having 3 accounts to yourself, if you are okay with having 3 accounts to yourself, and each of you will have 3 accounts to yourself that you want to build. Forget about what you are saying as wobo. You will see. We'll put a new person there, and you will see the thing will change. You will not see that wobo again everywhere.
Okay, but, so I want to know, is it that we should bring 3 persons to exchange it with that wobo?
You say what?
Are you saying that when we bring a new person, real person, then we register that person, we use the person's name to change the other wobo?
Yes. Yes. Do you understand? Are you okay with the answer?
Yes, I'm not okay, yes. No, it's not okay, yes.
Oh, yeah.
During the time I registered, they said that we shall be registered, even if we can have many accounts with our name. There's no problem. But I don't know, sir. Anything you know that you will do so that I will make it in the country. You do. That's what I can do.
Wobo, yes, you have the right. You can register so many accounts, but can you build so many accounts yourself? I'm asking you a question now.
That is what I don't know yet, but I do buy products.
You don't need to, Wobo, listen, you don't need to go far to know whether you don't know. You don't need to go far to know the answer. Wobo is having 100 accounts. Can you build 100 accounts yourself? The answer is no. Do you want to kill yourself?
I can't build those logos by myself, only I alone. That is pure truth. But my annoyance there now, the time I registered, they told me that I should register with many accounts and changing it now with another person's number. Anyone you know that is better, you do, please.
Do you have problem with changing accounts that you will not be able to build? Do you have a problem with that?
The problem I have is if you give it with another person's name, that person's name now, me or she will be the one collecting the bonuses. Is it not true?
Do you want to collect, excuse, Wombo, do you want to collect bonuses from 100 names that you are not working on?
But I do work on them now. I do put people under them. That's what they told us at the research time. When we register many accounts and register other people,
yes,
it will lead us to come out from that maximum before entering into binary.
What you say? Come out from where?
Maximum. So when we enter into binary, then we start buying products. Because whether I will be buying products under those rules. I said, no, that it is registration. Even if I can have my own many accounts.
I want to ask you a question. Listen, wait. Let me ask you a question. Wobo, how many accounts do you want to have to yourself?
Why I'm saying this?
Don't say what else. Just answer me. How many accounts do you want to have for yourself?
How many will be okay for me now?
Are you asking me, or you should? Should I tell you what will be okay for you?
Yes, sir. You tell me what I will do.
3 accounts is okay for you. Are you listening? 3 accounts is okay for you, man. Are you okay with that?
Yes, sir. She said no. You know better.
No, I don't know better, but I'm just telling you what is normal as a human being. Okay? You can tell the number of accounts that you need for yourself. Do you want to have 100 accounts for yourself? Only you? 100 accounts on your head? All right, thank you very much. What you will do is you will now give us the names of your team so that we can arrange the 3 for you properly, okay? Don't have too many accounts under you for yourself. It will be wrong. It will prevent you from growing. If you have 3 accounts, you build it, it's okay for you. Do you understand, ma? Now that your hand is up. Okay, Prince Umar, from you.
Can you hear me, sir?
Okay, Dada has on. Prince Umar, hold on.
Hello? Okay, sir.
Wait, sir. Dada goes. Let's hear you. Yes, speak.
According to my understanding, you said that somebody is having that decide to give it.
Increase your voice, please. Your voice is too low.
I said, according to my understanding, you said somebody
Hey, I'm not hearing this man. Oh. Hello, Dada. Can you increase your voice, please?
Can you hear me now?
I'm hearing you, but the thing is breaking. Speak. Let's hear you, please.
According to my understanding, some people is can decide to change it to the account, right? Hello.
You say you have how many accounts?
According to you, say somebody is having multiple accounts and decide to change it to like a 3 account.
Somebody having multiple accounts, huh?
The question is, what happened to the point those apps were having?
It will still be there for you. Nothing will happen to it.
Okay.
How many accounts do you want to have yourself, Dauda?
I have 7 accounts.
Fine.
For myself.
No problem. You have 7 accounts for yourself. It's beautiful. That's a good one. And then you will not start putting you now start putting people under it. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Look, in my discussion, I only provide advice. I'm not telling somebody this is what you must do. I only provided advice. Okay? Your 7 account is fine. Then you start putting real people. Okay? Fine. But somebody that is having 100 accounts, you've opened 100 accounts yourself. It may be difficult for you to push the 100 accounts. Where will you start putting in real people? And then we are saying, if you have done so before in the system, we can rearrange it for you. And you put in real people. Nothing spoil. If you say you want 7 accounts for yourself, fine. You want 3 accounts for yourself, fine. Whatever number of accounts you want for yourself, fine. Just say it out. But if you say you have 100 accounts for yourself, you are not. It doesn't sound reasonable. I mean, when will you not start putting real people? If you have 100 accounts for yourself, when will you not start putting real people? What we are now saying is to create a room for you to put in real people in your tree, and it will make some good sense. Am I correct? Because we are now getting ready for a serious networking. We are buying cars that we move around the country already. All these plans are already on ground. Okay. So what the system network marketing needs are real people. Okay. You can have many accounts as much as you desire, but just be careful, because if you have 100 accounts for yourself, you may even get confused. You may not even know all your accounts yourself. Okay, that's what we're saying. But if you have done that in the past, we are telling you that nothing has spoiled. We can actually rearrange the system for you. A lot of people have rearranged the system and they are making on their activity. Okay, Prince Umar, your hand is up. Let's hear from you, please. Dauda, can you off your microphone, please? Okay, Prince Umar, please. Attention on you, please. You there, Prince Umar? Okay, Prince, it appears that Prince is attention is on another thing, okay? All right. While we're waiting for Prince Umar, let me respond to questions here. Okay, Madam Shalom, we appreciate this question. Look at this question. She said, now, if I decide to maintain only 7 accounts, will the spillover count for my downlines when I use an upper username to sponsor a new person and it falls down on someone down the tree? Yes, the answer is yes. Yes, spillover counts. Okay. The spillover will give those people matching bonuses as well. I decide to maintain 7 accounts. Now the question is, will the spillover count for my downline? Yes, it will count for your downlines. Okay. The spillover will count for your downlines. 1. It will count for your downlines on matching bonuses. It will count for your downlines on BV. Do we understand? But those your downlines, for them to enter, for them to start earning the what we call the royalty, the step-out royalty, each of them will have 2 direct people that are following them. But remember, it is not only having 2 direct people that makes you benefit from the step-out royalty. Okay, you have 2 direct people and the rest people can be spillover, because before you start earning from the step-out royalty, you will have up to 14 people. So out of the 14 people, 2 people should be direct under you. You will start earning step-out royalty. So the answer to this question that you raise, Madam Shalom, is yes. Spillover counts for you and it counts for them. Okay? Spillover counts for them. Spillover, the spillover count for them, they will earn their referral bonus, matching bonuses. But remember, the person you gave spillover will not earn from the referral bonus of that spillover you gave. As long as you give it a spillover, now you go collect the referral bonus. You who is the sponsor and the people that are above you. But the person you gave it as a spillover will not get referral bonus. What you will get is he will get BV and matching bonus. Are we together? Then for that person who has gotten a lot of spillover, for that person to benefit from the stepper royalty, he must have had 2 direct people under him. The rest 14 people can be spillover, but at least 2 direct people before he can earn stepper royalty. Okay, Prince Umar, are you there now? Prince Umar, are you there now?
Yes, good morning, sir.
Special greetings to you, brother. Greetings to you.
Well done, sir. Thank you very much for the training and the lecture. I want to actually appreciate you and appreciate each and every one of us for the question that they are asking. It's also making some of us to learn more. I would just want to advise us, and at the same time, request from you, when you started by sharing a video, my network was not good. So you can please do me a favor to send a video to me also on that, is this stroke? Yeah.
Okay.
Then, and also, after the video, there's a slice that you treated that my network was not good, that I could not actually follow up. So my advice.
This program is recorded. It's recording. I will share the recorded version of this video, of this program.
Thank you very much, sir. So my advice to us, as a Onecure family, I will advise that, just like the MD have said, you see, some of us who've been into various networking, and we know the areas and the lapses that we failed on our own, and also the areas that the products in some of the supplementary product failed us also. So I will advise, just like the MD have said, let's try as much as possible to maintain the accounts that we can control. Because multiple accounts, most especially ranging from 10 and above, always have issues. At the end of the day, even you controlling becomes a challenge. So if you look at this binary that we are in now, this very particular platform, it has given us a laydown where with 3 accounts, I believe we can confidently control and, bring in. We are just starting. There are some other networkers, people that are even better than us, that will join us in the coming days to come. So if we have so many multiple accounts, where do we put those people? You see, so you now see that you trade with a very, very strict caution, so that you cannot be able to leverage and at the same time build on your accounts confidently, so that you can manage it very well. This is my advice for us. Thank you all.
Good one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. In addition to what Prince Umar has said, we are now also telling you that if you have had a lot of accounts before, nothing spoiled. Okay? You just tell us how many accounts you'll be able to control. I don't believe you can control 100 accounts yourself. No problem. But I don't believe that you will control 100 accounts. Do you want to die early? So if it is 7 accounts you can control, meanwhile, there are so many accounts in your 3, we can reshuffle it for you. Okay? Now that you've started bringing in real people, there are strong people in networking. There are capons in networking that when they come, only the activity will blow your 3 off. You have gotten to where you are going. Okay. So we are now saying that even if you have had a lot of this before, no problem. All we need to do is just to reshuffle it for you. That's all. When you bring in the real people, we reshuffle it for you. Okay? Don't kill yourself. Have 3 or 7 accounts. It's okay. That you can control. You build it. Strong networkers come, you put them where they're supposed to put them. Okay? That is a way to go smart. Okay? Remember, the reason for this is there is need for you to start bringing in real people. That's just the reason for this. And we're also telling you that if you have had it the other way before, nothing has spoiled. Nothing has spoiled. You are still on a good steed. All we need to do is we can always adjust the system for you and reshuffle it for you so that you can go to where you are going. Whatever is your account on our system, we can easily see where anybody is. You just call on us. We can easily see where everybody is. Where do you want to put this person to be? Where do you want to be? Which are the accounts you want to work with? Fine, we'll put it for you. We'll make it. We want to make sure you get to your destination, either from the other way or this way. Do you love binary movements? We'll put it for you. You move on the binary. What style do you think will take you to your destination fast? What style do you want to apply? We'll take it there for you. So do not worry yourself if you have loaded a lot of registration before. No, don't worry yourself. It is still, you are heading to destination. Now that you have started bringing in new people, we will start making a reshufflement for you. Our system is very dynamic in doing that. If you have any question so far, if there is any confusion, there is something you want to know, you want to learn, please feel free to speak out now at any moment, at any of our programs, okay? Even when we are talking, we like our talks to be conversational, okay? Now, the video that Prince Umar spoke about, and I'm seeing Dawda Sumaina also speaking about the video, he wants to know, we say, in every of our seminar, we would like to teach you something about health. We are starting it now. Another day that we are coming, we will bring out the products that treat that problem, and we will tell you the ingredients that are used in producing them and what they do. Because right now, the one heart that is coming in tomorrow to the head office here now is the one that can bring down blood pressure quick. And the ingredients that are used are capable of dilating the blood vessels and open the space for blood to pass quick, thereby bringing down high blood pressure and preventing stroke. You see, I didn't talk about it now because it has to arrive tomorrow. We will have a time for you, with you, to have this very seminar for you to understand. But however, what we did today is to teach you what is stroke. Somebody asks you, what is stroke? What can you answer? Do you know anything about stroke? What response can you give? How many types of stroke do we have? What is the cause of stroke? What is the cause stroke? Somebody have told me before, but this my uncle is not having high blood pressure, but he gets stroke. Stroke don't hit him, but you don't get high blood pressure. I say, what do you think is happening? He say, you know, go past village. Now from village, they send them. You know, is it only high blood pressure that causes stroke? Okay. Take the next 2 minutes and watch the video again. Okay. And then, for us to close this program, you watch 2 videos, please. We want to teach you health. We want your brain to open, to have knowledge of medicine. Okay? We have spoken about our business model. Let us use 2 minutes, 3 minutes to play 2 videos for you now. So that you can hold on to something that you have benefited from joining the Zoom meeting for today. Don't worry. Small, you will catch the monkey. You will learn everything about our system. But maybe you hold your pen and paper to learn about what is stroke, what is the causes of stroke, and how many types of stroke do we have. This will help you. And after that, we'll come back to one last video on the same line before we close for today. Let me share the screen for you. And I'm going to play, okay, the video. So just give me a moment. Okay. Okay. Just follow the video. Pay attention as this video is going to play. Okay.
This video will help you understand what a stroke is and the risk for having one. Normally, blood vessels called arteries carry blood to the brain. The brain needs a constant flow of blood to get the oxygen and nutrients it needs to work properly. During a stroke, also known as a brain attack, blood flow to part of the brain has stopped. The most common type of stroke is called ischemic stroke. It can happen in an artery where a fatty substance called plaque has made the artery narrow. In one type of ischemic stroke, called a thrombotic stroke, the plaque can break apart and form a blood clot that blocks the flow of blood to the brain. In another type of ischemic stroke, called an embolic stroke, a blood clot forms in another area of the body and travels through the bloodstream. If it reaches an artery near or in the brain, it can block the flow of blood. When an artery to part of the brain is blocked during a stroke, oxygen and nutrients in the blood can't get to those brain cells. The cells start to die within minutes. A less common type of stroke is called a hemorrhagic stroke. It occurs when a weakened blood vessel breaks open and leaks blood into the brain. This blocks blood flow to the brain, and the leaking blood puts pressure on the brain tissue, which damages it. In a transient ischemic attack, or TIA, a clot blocks the flow of blood to the brain. But it's different from the other types of stroke because the clot breaks up after a short time. Transient ischemic attacks usually don't cause any permanent damage. High blood pressure is the main risk factor for any type of stroke. Other risk factors include diabetes, certain types of heart disease, smoking, high cholesterol, and having previous transient ischemic attacks. It's important to know these signs and symptoms of a stroke. A sudden numbness or weakness in your face, arms, and legs, especially if it's on one side of your body. Sudden confusion and trouble speaking, or being unable to understand others speaking. Sudden trouble seeing out of one or both eyes. Sudden dizziness, loss of balance, or being unable to walk. And a sudden severe headache. Call 911 right away if you think you or someone else may be having a stroke. To find out more about your risk for having a stroke, talk to your healthcare provider.
Thank you very much. What will happen is you will be able to watch this again when once you have gotten the recorded version of this program, you will be able to watch it again. Okay.
Your heart beats.
So once you get the recorded version of this program, you'll be able to watch it again. So you can see the various types of stroke and what causes stroke. Is that also? You can see the various types of stroke and what causes stroke. They also told you here that one of the culprits, the major culprits of that stroke is high blood pressure. That will take me to the last video I want to play for you now for today. How much do you know about high blood pressure? How much do you know about high blood pressure? Now, pay attention to the last video you are going to watch now so that you can have a good knowledge of what you are doing in business. Now pay attention as well to this video.
Your heart beats about 100,000 times each day, and every time it does, it forces blood through your arteries. How powerfully that blood flows determines your blood pressure. And if your blood pressure is too high or too low, it can mean serious trouble. But what is blood pressure? And how do you know if your pressure is in a healthy range? Let's take a look. When you visit your doctor, they measure your blood pressure with a special cuff around your arm, and they tell you two numbers. One, the top number is your systolic blood pressure, which is the pressure on your arteries when your heart beats. The bottom number is your diastolic blood pressure, the pressure in between beats. Both numbers are important because they give you a window into how much pressure your blood is putting on your arteries. A normal blood pressure is between 90/60 and 120/80. If your top number is higher than 130 or your bottom number is higher than 80, you could be living with high blood pressure. High blood pressure usually doesn't cause any symptoms, but it can do major damage long before you notice anything is wrong. High blood pressure can lead to stroke, heart attack, heart failure, kidney disease, and more. And while many people worry about high blood pressure, low blood pressure can be trouble too. A blood pressure less than 90/60 is a sign of low blood pressure. That means your blood isn't flowing through your arteries with enough force, and it can keep your vital organs from getting the blood they need to function normally. People with low blood pressure may feel dizzy or lightheaded, faint or pass out, have fast, shallow breathing, feel tired or confused, or they may not notice any symptoms at all. Maintaining a normal blood pressure can help to keep you healthy and safe. So get regular exercise. Eat a heart-healthy diet that's low in salt, fat, and cholesterol. Limit your alcohol intake and manage your stress levels. You won't know if your blood pressure is unhealthy unless you check. So visit your healthcare provider regularly. It matters.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for today. You will see there are two types of blood pressure that you can say they are normal. Blood pressure is 90/60 is a normal blood pressure. 120/80 is a normal blood pressure. You may be hearing this for the first time. If your blood pressure is higher than 120/80, then you might be having hypertension. If your blood pressure is also lower than 90/60, then you are also having the risk of high blood. That's low blood pressure, hypotension. It's also a problem. By all means, try to go away and prevent yourself from having stroke. Stroke is not a good sickness at all. We have the best approach and the best remedies you can use for these problems. Always get hold on your one force. On your one force. For those who are already having high blood pressure, the one heart capsule is a very big relief on the problem. For those who are having high blood pressure as a result of diabetes, you have to combine both of them, the one heart and gluconide, so that you can achieve results that will beat your wildest imagination. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have a question that is here from Mrs. Bosede. Okay, Fenkwe say, I really need to be educated in this business, sir. All right, that's a very good one. If we can have a time with you to give you from the bottom line, or you can visit the head office at the Orelokwe bus stop along Egbeda Idimu Road. Okay, okay, we can do justice. we can do justice to this very desire you have. Okay? Aside from this, we want to thank all of you for coming around for today. At the end of this program now, I will engage the Umuahia people properly so that they will now understand what they are doing. They can work like a team and build their team together. Nothing has spoiled in the system. We want to greet you again once more as we close the seminar for today in our style. Ladies and gentlemen, you can on your microphone to take our greetings as we are going to greet all of you in our style. We are going to say, Onecure. One. Beautiful. Health and wealth. Good morning. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, for wherever there is one disease, wherever there is one disease, there is one cure. May you all have a blessed day, please. Thank you very much for coming. God bless you. We will see you again another time. We'll bring an interesting episode of our program. Until then, may you continue to stay in the love of God. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now.
Great, thank you. Continue to stay with God.